Hello everyone. Let's see what is Spring Boot. Spring Boot is an open source framework. It is designed to simplify the development of your Java applications. So it is to minimize the amount of configuration that is needed to get started for your applications. So it will be like reducing the amount of configurations. So let's see what are the things that it will be managing. So first one is like auto configuration. So it automatically sets up uh, it is automatically sets up your application based on the dependencies you include, like reducing the manual configurations. So that is auto configuration. And embedded server is it uses like embedded servers like Tomcat or Jetty, so allowing you to run your application as a standard alone service. So it is providing a embedded server. So next, starter dependencies. So starter dependencies offers a pre-packaged libraries for different functionalities. So it is offering pre-packaged libraries, and then making it easy to include required features. So and then production ready. So production ready is like comes with the built-in features. It has the built-in features for monitoring and managing the applications. So these are the key features. First is auto configuration. It will automatically configure. It uses the dependencies and reducing the manual configuration. And then embedded server like Tomcat. And then starter dependencies. So it is using pre-packaged libraries. And then production ready. That means there are built-in features for monitoring, managing applications. So this is what a Spring Boot. It is mainly to minimize the amount of configuration that we need to uh, set before we getting started into the application. So it is a open source framework designed to simplify the development of the Java application. That is Spring Boot. Let's see what is the role of at Spring Boot application. This annotation is used to start your Spring Boot application. So it usually combining three important functionalities. First at configuration, and then at enable auto configuration, and then at component scan. At configuration, this class can provide uh, beans, that means an objects to the application. Or while seeing that configuration, the Spring will know like this class, where this class can provide a object to the application, which is beans. Beans is nothing but an object. So for that we are using at configuration. And then at enable auto configuration, automatically configures your application. It automatically configures your application based on the libraries you have. So and then at component scan scans the package to find all the components you have written. So to scan the all the components, we are using at component scan. So this is the example for this. In our Spring Boot application, we are using at Spring Boot application. This usually combines these three annotations. Then what is at AutoWire? At AutoWire is used to automatically inject dependencies into your class. So it will automatically inject dependencies, that is other classes, into your class. This means you don't have to manually create an object of a class. Spring will do it for you. So we don't need to manually create an object for that class. Okay. So this is the example. So automatically injects user repository into the user service class. We are using user service class here. In this at AutoWire, we are injecting the users repository. So the Spring Boot automatically provides an instance of the user repository when creating user service. So it will when we are mentioning AutoWire, so it will automatically create an instance for the user repository. So you can use it without explicitly creating it. Okay. So this is what an AutoWire. It is automatically inject dependencies into your class. You don't have to manually create an object of a class. Spring will do it for you. That is AutoWire.